Next, we have our In Focus section, and it's part 2 of Warran's demonstration of the Google TV.
This is part 2 of our Google TV setup, and in this part we'll be talking about resetting the device back to factory defaults. We will be removing my account and resetting it back to factory defaults. So in other words, if you are going to be selling your device or giving it away to someone, I will show you how to remove your account and reset the device back to factory settings. I am now on the home screen and I'm going to up arrow and right arrow to where we talked about the profile settings, and from there go into the system settings and remove my account and reset the device. So we are on the home screen. I'm going to hit the up arrow.
For you, out of list feature.
I'm going to go right.
Press select to activate.
I'm going to go right till I find that part that says profile settings.
Movies, shows, apps, library, profile settings, currently
Hit
logged
select.
in Warran car. Dashboard.
Now we're going to go down to find where it says settings.
Warran, row 1, in grid. Settings, row 2, column 1.
Hit select.
Settings.
We are now in the system settings, and I'm going to go down to where it says accounts and sign in.
Network and internet, accounts and sign in, 5 of 11.
Hit select.
Press select to activate.
We are now in accounts and settings. Let's take a quick look at what we have in here.
Warran Carr, warcare@gmail.com. Other accounts, heading 3 of, add another account 4 of 4.
You could add another account, but what we're doing here is removing my account so we could reset this device back to factory defaults. And what we want to do here is up arrow to where it says my account name and click select on it.
Other accounts, Warran Carr, warcare@gmail.com.
Hit select. Upon hitting select, these are the things that we find.
Settings lock, off switch, 1 of 8. Your services, manage your services, 2 of 8. Content preferences, 3 of 8. Autoplay trailers, on switch, 4 of 8. Payment and purchases, 5 of 8. Google Assistant, 6 of 8. Apps only mode, off switch, 7 of 8. Remove, 8 of 8.
And we have the remove. This is what we want. So I'm going to hit the select button on remove.
Account removal.
So we're on the page that says account removal. I'm going to go down arrow.
Sign in with another account in list. Remove account and reset device.
Remove account and reset device. That's what I want. I hit the select button.
Settings.
I'm going to go down.
Cancel, 1 of 2, in list 2 items. Factory reset, 2 of 2.
Now
Press
we
select
hit
to activate.
factory reset.
Cancel, 1 of 2, in list 2 items.
Hitting
Press select to activate.
factory reset, we're shown another cancel because just in case we decide to change our mind, we can still go back and opt out of resetting the device. Go down.
Erase everything, 2 of 2. Press select to activate.
We are on erase everything, and I'm going to hit the select button here. And we started hearing TalkBack talking, but of course it got cut off. That means it's restarting. And that would be how you reset that Chromecast or Google TV.
I'm certainly tempted to get one of those devices. They sound really good. I've been very.
You should get one, Ed. It's
Yeah.
it's a nice. I mean, it's El Cheapo, you know. So grab one just for giggles.
Yeah, I definitely think so. Anyone else tempted?
Yeah, I am tempted. Although I have an Android TV, but I could get a Chromecast.
Yeah, I had one a few years ago, but unfortunately, I didn't have any TV anymore. So my Google TV is currently useless now. But the funny thing is that in France, it's not exactly like it is in other countries, and as now internet provider provides what they call boxes or internet boxes, which embed Android TV inside. So it's not really a Google TV, but it's kind of very similar, and the experience was very nice. Although the Android version used on the device was very old. It was like Android 6 or something. It was very, very old, but still, it's really promising, and I'm kind of tempted to buy a new one someday.
And if you're going to get one, Yannick, definitely maybe you could try that the Chromecast 2020, aka Google TV, because you have both functionalities in there, and you could add all kinds of services to it. It's just like a regular TV when I compare it to my Sony Android powered TV or my Hisense Android powered TV. It's the same thing, same layout and everything else.
Yeah, definitely looking forward to trying this.
I'm
Thanks,
definitely going to try it too.
Yeah, I think we're all persuaded. Everyone's persuaded to have a little look at that.